everyone, welcome to Works for Tools channel. Today I'm just showing a couple of carts. One of the techs at the shop, Chris, upgraded. He had this Cornwell 5-drawer cart with a side shelf, and he upgraded to this red Cornwell Pro Series with 6 drawers. So quite a nice upgrade. Even got him a Works for Tools sticker. So what we have up top, we'll just do a brief checkout, not an in-depth tour, but he's got the side shelf on this one also. Got his pry bars, screwdrivers, sockets. Then on this side, he's modified and made extra holes for the ratchets and extensions. Very nice. Up top, he'll wind up putting more things, but he's got the cup for holding your nuts and some temperature gauges. First drawer, got a torque wrench, some ratchets that have the soft grip handles, so they're too big to wind up putting in the holes here. Some other specialty tools, some picks. Got the wrench drawer with some hammers, crescent wrenches. Third, got the plier drawer, nice little plier rack. Various different pliers, needle nose and whatnot. Some specialty trim tools here and some brake tools. And this is for holding up the hoods when it's either missing the prop or the hood struts don't work, which is pretty common in automotive work. Here we have the air tool drawer along with some electric tools. Various different brands, Matco, Milwaukee, Snap-on. And we have room for growth. This is definitely a bigger box than his other one. Here he got recently serpentine belt tool from Gear Wrench. Very nice tool. I have pretty much the same thing, but it's been rebranded for Matco or something that I have. And then the last drawer, another brake piston tool. Here we got Snap-on plier ring set. Snap-on ring plier set. It is OTC, but for snap rings, not Snap-on. Sorry. Get the fan clutch tool. And harmonic balancer pulley installer tool. So that's Chris's new cart. Congratulations, Chris. Very nice. So if you stayed this long to watch all of this, I thought I'd do something here and show you the difference between these big carts and how small Franken cart is. Even though it's packed, you can see this is regular cart. The Franken cart is a lot shorter. Imagine how much more I could fit in one of these. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Be sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. See you on the next one.